Queensland is in the middle of a spike of flu and whooping cough cases, prompting a warning from doctors. For more, we're joined now by infectious disease expert Paul Griffin. Good afternoon, Paul. Well, firstly, when it comes to flu, what are we seeing in terms of cases at the moment?
We've had a really high number of flu cases, even over the summer months, which is quite unusual. For the first 3 months of the year, we saw about 1.5 to 2 times what we might normally see in terms of flu cases. And so far across the country, we've had over 81,000 cases of flu, which is certainly high compared to what we normally see. And if you add to that low vaccination rates, that certainly is a concerning situation.
Yeah, so what are you putting this down to? Is it the low vaccination rates, or is this just an entirely different strain of flu compared to previous years?
What we see with all these infections, including flu, it's complicated. So we don't really know why the cases are so high. The other side of the world has had a really bad winter. A lot of people are travelling, but our vaccination rates are certainly going to be contributing, and whatever the season may bring, mean that the impact of influenza is greater, and that's why we need people to get those vaccines and ideally get them as soon as they can.
Now, a rise in whooping cough is also being reported. What's the message there, especially for those with young children?
Look, it's very similar. Don't underestimate that infection, same as the flu. And we have a very effective vaccine that makes a really big difference, but our rates are declining. So make sure you're up to date with those vaccines. And for all of these respiratory infections, the simple measures we recommend will go a very long way in reducing how much is around. That's staying home if you're unwell, hand hygiene, cough and sneeze etiquette, masks, ventilation, etc. All of those things will reduce your risk of getting these infections and passing them on.
Great advice. Professor Paul Griffin, thank you so much for your time. Well, an American warship has